On this video, I will be sharing with you three apps that I actually use, and you also can use these apps and make money for yourself on a daily basis. Yes, guys, these apps that I will be sharing with you is something that you can use to make money for yourself every day. All right, so before I get into it, I want to say welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you are jumping on this video or seeing my face, I want to say welcome. Thank you so much for jumping on this video, and please make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and also set notification buttons on so that you can always get notified whenever I put a video like this. On this channel, I share everything about making money, how to run your business, and also how to increase your income so that you can live the best life ever. If that is of interest to you, then you want to subscribe to this channel, right? So that you can become part of the family. So without further ado, we'll get into it. Now, make sure you watch this video to the end, all right, for you to actually get these three apps, all right, and so that you can actually get started with this, right? So the apps that I will be, sharing with you, they are called investment apps, right? Now, I want to let you know, or rather, I want you to understand that because you spend money on a daily basis, you should be making money on a daily basis. Yes, you buy things, right? You eat food, you go to places, you spend money, right? There are a lot of expenses that we always have on a daily basis. So how come you are just having one source of income? Every month you are always waiting for, the salary that is never enough, right? So using any of these apps will actually, add something to your income on a daily basis if you do it the way that I would want you to do it, right? So my number one, now this is not a financial advice, right? I want to put out this disclaimer. So it is not me giving you a financial advice, because hell no, I'm not a financial person. But what I'll be sharing with you is something that I do. These are apps that I use, right? And I have been using it over years. Over the years, right? So I have been using all of these apps that I'll be sharing with you, and it has been amazing. I've not had any issues with it, and that is why I want to share with you my community, because you are now like a family, right? So before I talk about these apps, now I want you to understand, if peradventure you are like, you've not used these apps before and you're like skeptical if this, the apps will fall out anytime, like they will run out of business anytime, right? If you have that in mind, if you're thinking like tomorrow these apps will not be existing, I'm letting you know today that these apps that I will be introducing to you, they are apps that have been approved by the government, right? And some of these apps are not really apps of owned by Nigerians, right, or Africans. They are apps that is owned, from people out of Africa. So it is something that the government has actually, approved to actually be a financial app, right? If I'll say that, right? So for the fact that you are thinking if they run out of business, even if that happens, right, there is a tendency that they are going to transfer your investment into another. I heard of someone that was using one of the apps, I forgot, I think Portfolio or something, right? And when they ran out, like when they said they were no longer going to be in business, what they did was they communicated to the people that was using the app, and they transferred their investment into other financial apps, right? So they transferred it into other organizations. So that is the best that can happen, right? So there is nothing like you're afraid that this organizations, they are going to run out, right? And another thing I want you to understand is that these people, like I said, they are approved by the government. Like they've given them the the legacy, right, to actually run their business, right, their financial business, right, so that people can actually, key into it, right? So there is nothing for you to be afraid of, because I have been using this apps for years, guys. I have been using it for years and I've not had any issue with it, right? So without further ado, let's get into it already. Now, my number one app that I would want you to actually get started with using is PiggyVest. Yes, guys, PiggyVest is an application, a financial application that actually helps you to save money, to also invest your money, right? And also you can buy, bonds, you can buy real estate. So it helps you to invest and actually to save money. So one beautiful thing, when I started with PiggyVest, one beautiful thing that I did with PiggyVest when I started was, saving money for my rent. Yes, that was how I started using PiggyVest, saving money for rent, right? So on a monthly basis, I was doing that on a monthly basis. So I would ask the app to actually withdraw money from my account into the app, right? And the beautiful thing about it is, for every money you put in this app, you get an interest, right? There is an interest that you will get. Now, this interest is paid to you up front, right? So when you make an investment, they give you an interest 10%, 12%, 15%, depending on how long you will be, leaving that money, or you'll be saving that money with them using that application, right? So if you decide to actually invest or save your money, right, on a daily basis, you see that the interest you'll be getting will be on a daily, because it's an upfront thing. So as you're saving, you are actually getting an upfront interest, right? And another thing again is, over time, if you leave your money with them over time, it accumulates into interest, right? So sometimes they give me monthly interest of 500 naira, depending on how much I have in the account, right, in that portfolio, right? So I have, you can lock your money. You can actually lock a specific amount of money. Then you can also have a daily savings. Like I said, you can save for school fees, you can save for rent, you can save for anything that you want, even for your business. When people tell me that they are struggling to pay their rent, I really am thinking, like, these guys don't know actually how to do things, because I believe in numbers, guys. Yeah, so if you're paying a rent of 500,000 naira, it is a yearly rent, right? Because you're in Africa, and in Nigeria we pay our rent yearly, right? So if you're paying a yearly rent of 500,000 naira, for instance, right, depending on where you are, what you want to do is divide that amount of money into 12, and that tells you how much you should be saving from your salary, from your income, from whatever it is. You should be saving that amount of money on a monthly basis. Now, if you can do that on a monthly basis, then definitely at the end of the year, where you're supposed to renew your rent, you will not be looking for money to actually pay for your rent. And that is also applicable to the school fees of your children. It's also applicable to you buying whatever it is that you want to buy, right? So I remembered some time back, I saved money for buying a laptop. All right, so I decided I was going to get a particular laptop for myself, and I had to put in money on that app every month, right? And at the end of it, I had the money that I was going to use to buy the laptop, right? So savings is one way you can actually, make wealth for yourself. And with the interest rates that comes on it on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, your interest, your money tends to increase. So let's say you're saving 10,000 naira, for instance, you're going to get like 500, 1,000, 200, 400. As it accumulates, that's 10,000 naira that you have saved is making more money for you. And this is one app that I would definitely encourage that you get started with. Another thing that you can do with PiggyVest is investing in real estate. Yes, guys, you can become a real estate investor, right? Because right here on PiggyVest, right, they have this real estate part where they, give you some I don't know what they call it now, that you can buy, what's the word? I'm looking for it. So you can buy a part of that real estate. So let's say they have a bungalow, you can buy a part of the bungalow, right? Shares, right? You can buy one share of that bungalow, right? So you have the opportunity to actually invest with real estate for as little as 5,000 naira. Yes, guys, on PiggyVest you can invest into real estate with as little as 5,000 naira. So this is one app that I really encourage that you should get started with. All right, my number 2 app that I would actually ask that you get started with is the number 2 app that I will ask that you get started with is Bamboo. So Bamboo again is another financial app that helps you to also save money and also help you to invest your money. Now, so you can actually put in your naira and you can put in your, you can save in dollars, right? Then you can see all asset offerings. So you can see US stock market, you can see Nigerian stocks that you can buy, right? You buy US companies, buy local companies, buy treasury bill. Then you can also, fix returns, right? So in up to 8% dollars if you put in fixed returns, right? So that's the beautiful thing about Bamboo. And right here you can also see that it gives you opportunity to actually learn, right? So you can actually learn. If you don't know what investment is and how to invest, you can learn using the app, right? So you can see what is Bamboo fixed return, what is next after sign up, how to fund your Bamboo wallet, how do I buy stocks, how do I sell my stocks on Bamboo, when do the stock exchange, US open market, and all of that. So you can actually read all of this up and learn actually how to invest. So if I click on what type of investment options are available, you will see that it's going to give me a lowdown. It's a what type of investment options are available. We have a wide range of investment options, and we are always working to make sure you have as many options as possible. So you can see what is available: the US, ETFs, Nigerian stock, fixed returns, treasury bill, mutual funds coming soon, bonds coming soon, foreign exchange outside the Nigerian, after outside US is coming soon also. So all these and more is what Bamboo is all about. And if you ever need help, of course, you just come down here and you will see help, right? And you can see the stock market basis, beyond basis and all of that. So if you want to even learn how to invest, right, I think this is even the first place you should actually come and learn investment before you even get started, right? So you can invest in all of these guys, right? So it takes you on a test. This is a test I did to actually know if I'm a good investor, like if I am an investor that believe in low risk or high risk, right? So that was the test I did that gave me this result. You can see your result here, right? So that was just it. So it determines the type of advice that they would advise me when it comes to me buying stocks from them, right? So that's it about Bamboo. You can actually invest in treasury bill. If you don't want to use your bank, you can actually do that using the app called Bamboo. All right, another thing you can do with Bamboo is you can buy shares, right? So there are some organizations, financial organizations like GTCO also have shares, First Bank, and the beautiful thing is that you can also invest in shares outside the country, like Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Meta, all of those big organizations that are not in Africa. You can actually invest right here, right from Africa. You can invest your money into all of those organizations right here using the Bamboo app. That's the beautiful thing about this, guys. I've forgotten this one that was trending sometime, right? And everybody were being asked to buy. I also bought, right? So this app is something that you can actually use to make money for yourself. And like I said, even if you don't want to invest your money into any of the shares, right? You can just save your money there, and your money is increasing and making interest for you on a daily basis. And when you want it, definitely you can transfer back to your own account. So Bamboo app is one app that I encourage you to actually get started with if you want to actually invest in foreign shares. If you want to buy foreign shares like Amazon, Meta, all of those foreign shares, right? Bamboo app is one app that you can also invest in. And like I said, you can also invest in the African Nigeria shares. You can buy our African Nigerian shares, First Bank, GT, all of that. And Treasury B is another one that you can also buy using the app, right? So that's my number 2 that you can get started with and begin to make money for yourself. Another app that you can actually use again that will make you money on a daily is AfriVest, right? AfriVest is another financial app that you can also use to make money for yourself. Again, you can invest in all of what I have talked about, or you can actually decide to just save your money right there, and it's making dividends for you, it's making interest for you, right, on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, right? So if you're interested in actually making money for yourself on a daily basis, then you want to start investing your money into any of these platforms, right? Using any of those platforms so that you can also accumulate wealth for yourself, right? If you're making money, you should be saving money, right? You should be investing money. That is how you build wealth for yourself. All right, guys, let me know in the comments if you use any of those apps that I have actually talked about, right? Let me know in the comments if you used any, and what are the things you like about any of these apps, or if you have any challenges using any of the apps. Let us know in the comments so that we also can learn, right? It's possible that there are some things that I did not talk about on this video, right? You can also share it in the comments so that every one of us can learn also. So let me know in the comments which of these apps you will be investing with going forward. I'm going to leave the link to all of this app in the description of this video, so check those description of the video so that you can actually get the right link to actually sign up on any of the apps, right? So that you are using the right app, right? There are a lot of apps out there using similar names, right? So check the description of this video to get the correct link so that you can sign up, right, and get started with your own savings and with your own investment. I can't wait for you to start making this money, guys. It's all about living the life that God has promised us. I will see you again on another video. Until then,